I swear guys, Lasfit just keeps coming out with new products for these cars. And we got another one in the mail. Oh! Let's get this thing unboxed. I'll show you guys what it is. I found a razor blade. So my boys use this box as a Hot Wheels track. And they like ramped a bunch of cars into it. All the dents you can see. It's been a little bit, I've had this for a little bit of time. I just haven't had time to get around to installing it. So we're gonna see what it is. All right, here we go. Door sill protectors for the Model Y. So these are gonna go, actually I'll just show you here. So these are gonna go on the car, right here. Door sill protectors. And in the back of the car on your little cover. And the newer, this is a 2020, the newer Model Ys actually have carpet right here, so this will protect that. We just rollerblading. Y'all just some rollerblading fools. Get it, get it. All right, here we go. Actually, let's just do this the easy way. This looks like, I don't know, maybe driver. This definitely a front seat one. Oh, they're bent. Oh, that's wild. I don't know how I feel about that. They're like folded in half. I hope that doesn't hurt anything. We got another back one. So the quality looks pretty nice. It's got double-sided tape to hold it to your car. Let's see how it goes. All right, here's the front one. So this is unique. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. A bug in my garage. I see what it is. So this is the door. Actually, you can't hardly even tell. So this will go up to your kick, and then it gives you like a little catch pocket. That's pretty cool, I guess. So if you drop something down by your seat, it doesn't just fall in. So other side, I'm sure, is the exact same. Yes, it is. So you can bend that back into shape really easily. You can't even really tell. That's pretty cool. All right. We're going to start with the back driver's side piece here. I'm just going to kind of test fit. It actually fits pretty good. I'll say though, on my car, it's not really as value add as it is on the newer ones, because the newer ones, they put carpet right here. But it will keep you from doing what mine has done right here and just wearing the finish out on the factory panel. The fit is actually really nice. Fits snug. I'm guessing this is meant to like go up under the rubber. So I would probably say when you're going to do this, just pull up on this rubber right here, like that right there. It'll pull it up out of the way. I'm going to have to clean that a little more, and then stick this piece down like that. And then once it's stuck down, the rubber has this little guide right here, and you just basically push it back down onto that little crease. Definitely make sure you get a good clean on this, because this double-sided tape works best when it has a good clean surface to stick to. Almost dropped my phone there. All right. We'll peel the backing off this double-sided tape. I always hate this because it's like you peel the tape up trying to get the backing off. I'm gonna have to get a razor blade. If anybody comes up with a better way to peel off double-sided tape backing, let me know. All right, we got the double-sided tape backing off. Now the important thing here is to put it in right where it's going to go, because once it touches, it's stuck. So I'm going to hold this side and like push it up against it as I put it in. So let's see here. There you go. Once I get this corner set where it belongs, everything else just kind of falls into place. Give it a nice gentle smush, make sure it's all seated. And then once that's done, you can take this and you basically just lift up and put it right back over top of the little crack. Tap it down a few times. It's into place. You can't even hardly tell anything's there. Oh, there you go. Good job, buddy. Can't even hardly tell it's there. Looks like a factory piece. Yeah, looks really good. All right, I'm excited more about the front ones because they have that little pocket, and I want to see how they fit with our floor mats. So let's do that one next. Again, we'll pull up this weather stripping in the door here. Just get it out of the way. Give it a quick wipe. I'm gonna pull the floor mat up out of the way too. Just like that, just to get it out of the way. All right, got the front one in. I will say the back fits better than the front. The front, it almost needs like some double-sided tape on the top. I know the weather stripping is gonna hold it in place, but the problem I have is when you line the front up here, and this shape is pretty well. The problem is right here, you've still got this extra rubber that's got Velcro on it, and it wants to stick, but this pocket should start like up here. So this is like an awkward lip there that you have to try to like force down in that crack. That way all this lines up. And then once you get it, but the double-sided tape isn't holding right here. So it almost needs some more double-sided tape here. Maybe, let's try this. Maybe when I put the weather stripping in there, it'll hold it better. And it does, but you can see it's still like flapping right here. And it's because this double-sided tape that's supposed to hold right here doesn't. So I'm not sure what to do there. I'm not sure how I like that. Maybe I'll just add some double-sided tape. It almost needs to strip right across the top here. Just boop, stick it down and then it'll be good. The rest of it fits good. Let's put the floor mat back in and see how it fits with that. So the other thing I see here is the floor mat has this little tab that's meant to go under your pillar or under your sill, but the tab can't go under this because this actually has Velcro on it. And so if you put the tab under that, then that thing won't stick like it's supposed to. So, and the same thing up here with this tab that's supposed to go under this kick panel here. So it kind of makes your floor mats not lock in like they're supposed to, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I didn't really lock my floor mats in anyway, but just something to note. I got the other side put in. Again, the back fits really good, and the front has the same issue. I'll say on this side it's a little more highlighted because the gaps in this aren't perfect, and I've tried to push it down a million different ways. And then the floor mat is a little more exaggerated because it tucks a lot more underneath there, so it's kind of pushing it out. Right here it doesn't have that tuck issue, but then the same thing with the panel gap right there, or with the little rubber weather stripping thing. So we're gonna rock it for a little bit and see how it does. I'm not sure. To be honest, it's really, to me, it's not a big deal. You guys know my history. I've run Lasfit in basically everything I've had. I've done all their LED bulbs in all of the vehicles that I've owned. I've done their floor mats in, well, all the recent vehicles I've owned. I've done their floor mats in this car and my truck. Loved them. Got nothing but good things to say about them. And even these back mats in this car, let me show you. These back mats I had one little issue with, but I don't care. They work great. I had to trim it a little bit, and these mats are awesome on the back of my seats. I would say this is the first product that I wasn't super happy about the way it fit, but it is what it is. I mean, it's not, you can't make these things perfect. And I will say this, Tesla also has issues with things not being the same and lining up perfectly. And I mean, my car's a perfect example. Panel gap right there. Let's go over the other side. Much bigger. You can shove my finger down in there. Look right here. You can see this piece is higher than this piece. It's like a little scoop when you go down the road. And you go over to this side, and it's not as bad. So, I mean, Tesla has their fair share of the same issues, and so it is what it is. Who knows if this is even a Lasfit issue? This may be just Tesla not being the same on all of their cars. Not a big deal though, still awesome, still a great company to work with, still a great company to buy stuff from. They've got really good support. They've been really helpful for me in the past. And so if you guys want to get them, check it out. I'll put a link in the description below so you can pick you up a set, or any of the other products they make for these Teslas. I'm actually talking to them right now. They're trying to, or they've been talking about releasing some sunshades and some other products related for these cars. So I'm gonna get my hands on those and do a review video for you and install them as well. But if you check out the website in the comments below, or in the description below, you can get you a set. And as always, just awesome design as far as the product is concerned. Be sure and let these things sit out in the sun for a couple hours. I didn't do it. It'll allow those little creases right there where it was folded to go away. Mine still have them, but I was running out a little bit of daylight, so I wanted to get it installed for you guys so I could wrap this video up and get it posted. But check them out as always, and thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more Tesla videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.